तेलंगाना के वजीर इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी KTR ने कोकापेट में एडवांस ऑटो पार्ट्स GCC इदारे का इफ्तिताह किया। उन्होंने कहा कि अमेरिका से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाली कंपनी इस इदारे को हैदराबाद में कायम कर रही है। हैदराबाद में बिजनेस के लिए वसी तर मौक़े हैं, क्योंकि हुकूमत रियासत में सरमायाकारी के लिए सरमायाकारों को सहूलतें फराहम कर रही है। KTR ने कहा कि इस इदारे के क़याम के ज़रिए हैदराबाद ऑटोमोबाइल के हब में तब्दील हो जाएगा। तेलंगाना हुकूमत आइंदा आने वाले फरवरी में फार्मूला ई का आगाज़ करेगी। कहा कि इस इदारे के क़याम के ज़रिए तेलंगाना के नौजवानों को रोज़गार मिलेगा।
Is that a traditional automobile and the way we used to think about it versus what it has become now. You know, the automobile of today and tomorrow is actually a computer on four wheels, is what it is. So when it is a computer on four wheels, then obviously there's a lot of electronics, there's a lot of software inside embedded in the automobile. So what used to be a hub, such as Detroit in the US, or a Chennai in India, or a Pune in India, that need not be the case anymore, because as mobility evolves, as this landscape evolves, as more and more software and more electronics, they come to take center stage in the automobile. I think Hyderabad has a huge opportunity, and that is where we were discussing how Telangana's mobility valley, as we are calling it, is going to be a single-stop shop. We already have some fantastic partners. We have ZF, we have Bosch, we have Hyundai, we have Intel, we have Qualcomm. Tom, I request you to actually join this club. I think this would be, again, a very good club to be a part of, because it fits, it's right up your alley to begin with, and it fits very nicely into the scheme of things. And I do believe that mobility, and especially sustainable mobility,